Implications of federated data governance on compliance. When it comes to navigating the complex world of data governance, ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements is of paramount importance. In the context of federated data governance, where organizations collaborate and share data across multiple entities, understanding the implications of this approach on compliance becomes critical. In this part of the course, we explore the implications of federated data governance on compliance, specifically in the realm of regulatory compliance. In federated data governance, multiple entities come together to share and exchange data. This raises questions about data ownership and accountability. Compliance regulations often require organizations to have a clear understanding of who owns the data and who is accountable for its usage and protection. In a federated governance model, it becomes vital to establish clear guidelines and agreements among the participating entities to ensure compliance with data ownership and accountability requirements. Data privacy regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, and the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA, pose significant challenges to organizations in terms of compliance. Federated data governance adds another layer of complexity to ensuring privacy and protection. Each entity within the federated model may have different data privacy requirements and protocols. Compliance with these regulations necessitates building a strong framework that addresses the unique data privacy needs of each participant and ensures that data is handled in accordance with the established regulations. One of the key benefits of federated data governance is the ability to share data across entities to derive valuable insights and enhance decision-making. However, sharing data can also introduce compliance risks, particularly concerning data confidentiality and integrity. Organizations must establish robust mechanisms for data sharing that align with compliance requirements. Additionally, effective metadata management becomes essential in a federated governance model to maintain the accuracy, lineage, and accessibility of shared data. Compliance mandates often demand the inclusion of metadata documentation and audit trails, which should be built into the federated governance framework. Compliance regulations require organizations to effectively demonstrate adherence to the prescribed guidelines. In a federated data governance setup, regulatory reporting and auditing become more challenging due to the involvement of multiple entities. However, it is crucial to establish processes and tools that enable comprehensive reporting and auditing capabilities across the federated network. This includes tracking data access, usage, and modifications, as well as maintaining records of compliance policies and procedures for each participant. Such measures ensure transparency and help organizations fulfill their compliance obligations. Mitigating risks is an integral part of compliance management, and federated data governance accentuates the need for robust risk assessment and mitigation strategies. Each participating entity must assess their own risk profile and align it with the shared risk appetite within the federated model. Establishing effective risk management processes, including identifying potential vulnerabilities and implementing appropriate safeguards, is critical in achieving compliance goals. Regular risk assessments and continuous monitoring enable entities to adapt quickly to emerging compliance challenges and ensure ongoing compliance within the federated network. In conclusion, organizations must carefully consider the implications of this approach and proactively build a framework that addresses compliance requirements in the context of data ownership, privacy, sharing, reporting, and risk management. Federated data governance brings both opportunities and challenges when it comes to regulatory compliance. Based on these considerations, entities can embrace the benefits of federated data governance while maintaining compliance with regulatory obligations.